What's up, guys? This is Ryan from Gears and Gains. We are rushing to Times Square right now. We're in the city. Let's put the GPS in.
Shifting off.
That sounded so good. But yeah, there's so much traffic today. Like, I'm just trying to get to Times Square in like 12 minutes, 0.8 miles. That's freaking insane. That wasn't even that bad. In the last video, it was like 16 minutes for, or 17 minutes for 1 mile. That's freaking crazy. I just want to pass by though. I was there at the city the other day. I got some beautiful pictures of the car. The problem with the city is like everything is one way. So you miss your turn, you gotta go next block. Or the next block's the other way. You gotta go find another way to get there. But driving in the city is so fun. It is so freaking fun. Cause like, I mean, it's not meant for cars, but there's so many places where you could just park up a car, take pictures, and it looks so nice. And there's all these people that like, some of them don't care. They're just on their own thing. Some of them love cars. It's crazy. But I've been thinking about starting some kind of car clothing brand because something I've always really wanted to do. But every single car clothing brand I see online is so garbage. It's so bad. Like, the merch is never something that you could like wear out. It's always just like a t-shirt with a car printed on it or something, and you rarely see like a good car clothing brand. Like, so I'm thinking about starting something like that. Like, the only one that I know of is TJ Hunt's. That brand is so sick. But you know, I want to start something of my own where, you know, it's like kind of like Young LA, but you know, it's based around cars rather than like lifting. But what do you guys think about that? I know like there's no car clothing brand that you can wear out, you know, they're all just like cheesy car shirts and stuff. So I want to start something like that, something, you know, a little bit more professional, something that looks good. You could wear out to, you know, dinner at like a nice decent restaurant or something, you know. That's how you gotta brake. This thing picks up so quick. I freaking love this car. How much you pay and for how much horsepower it has, it doesn't feel like it has just 500 horsepower. It feels like it has so much more. And like, I'll give my keys to other people who, you know, maybe have lighter cars or faster cars, and they're like, yo, this thing picks up quick. I go right up here, because I would go right. Oh no. Bro, you see people in front of me? Urus. Oh, that's so sick.
Caution. Speed camera ahead.
is low-key kind of loud. Someone just macked over there. Yo, is that a blackbird? Yo, that is sick. If you're not already following me on IG and TikTok, you follow me right here. This is my page, S58NY. I'll leave it linked down in the description below, or you could just search me S58NY_ on Instagram and TikTok. I'm trying to hit 10K on TikTok, because that way I could actually start getting paid for my videos, because Instagram does not pay anybody, which is crazy. Like, I have all like these views that I get, 17.5 million views on this video. No, not $1 from it. I'm about to get on the highway finally. I can't wait to get out of this New York City traffic. Headed home, gonna go to the gym after. I can't wait. Like, this traffic is insane. That's New Jersey over there. I hope you guys can hear me good, but that's New Jersey over there. I know a lot of my followers don't, or a lot of my subscribers don't live in New York, so I just want to provide some context. You see all these bumps? This is, every highway in New York is like this. Is that RS5? I think it's pretty sick. This deserves. There's some pops. Favorite thing of the day, traffic. Oh my gosh, how would I ever live without you? These potholes are crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, yo, what the? Alright y'all, this is my G80 M3. If you're a regular viewer of the channel, that you are very familiar with this car. I'm just gonna go over the build really quick and just everything I have on here so far. I have pretty much everything that I need to make power besides a tune. I don't have front mount intakes, but the first thing that I put on the car was catless downpipes from IRL. 3.5 inch, the biggest diameter downpipes you can get. I love those downpipes. Then I ended up putting up this single mid pipe from IRL, and the car sounds absolutely amazing. Performance mods, that's literally pretty much it. I don't have front Front Mount Intakes. I'm waiting on IRL to let me know when their Front Mount Intakes come in. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but I really just do like that company because of the quality of products that they make. But I really do want some orange Front Mount Intakes. Maybe I'll end up doing some red cones or maybe even white cones, because I know I see a lot of people doing the white cones, or filters I guess you call them. A lot of people call them cones, but they're filters. A lot of people ask me about this front lip. This is the OEM and performance front lip. I love it. You can also get this OEM style one from Horizon Motorsports, like an aftermarket version. That's where I got the lower carbon air ducts and the grill right here. I got both of those from Horizon Motorsports. They're a fantastic company. They're really chill, cool guys to work with. These are all from Horizon Motorsports. Front grill and the lower carbon air ducts. I have a full video of that on my channel as well. I love the laser lights. I love the paint. This paint is fire orange. This is the G80 M3 Yari edition, and I'm just making this part of the video for people who maybe haven't watched my channel before. But the Yari edition is the 50th anniversary edition. It's similar to like an F82 M4 Heritage edition, if you remember those. And the wheels on this one do come in like a gunmetal gray, which I love. I swapped out the brake pads for Speed by Design brake pads. They're a company that makes racing brakes for GTRs, and they are fantastic. Not sponsored by them or anything, but I did do a video on their brakes and I love them. Follow me on Instagram at S58NY. We've got 41,000 or something and growing. So just thank you for all the support that I've had over there. Also, yeah, this is the interior. I love the interior so much. Carbon bucket seats. You see it has like the stitching, all that. I love these so much. We just got the open throttle lights right there. These things look so freaking sick. I love that. Edition 50 Yari BMW. Kith floor mats. I just had these lying around for my M340 and I never put them in. I had the P2M floor mats, which I might end up putting those back in. Got the matching Yeti, of course. Everyone compliments me on this. Edition 50 Yari. Let's show you that. One of the best touches of the car. All the carbon fiber. I love it. Obviously, we got to look at the carbon bucket seats from the back. A little bit dark in here, but orange is my favorite color. So got the orange Yeti, the orange lights in the inside. Like I said, this is the Yari edition, the 50th anniversary. This is the callback color from the E92 M3 Lime Rock edition. So it's literally that exact same paint code. But one of my favorite things that I love about this car that I have on here, the anniversary floating center caps are so sick. They actually have them on TikTok shop. I have a couple of videos up about them, but I freaking love this car so much. It is the perfect car. There is no other car in the world that I would ever own or want to own if I had the money to buy this car, which luckily I do because of YouTube. So thank all you guys for that. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and TikTok for all the exclusive content that I post on there and not here on YouTube. My name is Ryan. This is my G80 M3 and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.